Autumn, say hi.
She's out of control.
Hi.
Autumn, look. Look at mommy.
Autumn, look at mommy and say hi.
Autumn. Autumn. He's not even paying attention. Where's
Doggy,
Where's the doggy?
doggy.
Say Lolo.
Lolo.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say go.
Go.
Now say eyes.
Hi.
Now mouth. Autumn. Autumn, where's your mouth?
All of her coloring books have had doggies out there, so that's what she said. Doggy.
Autumn, where's your mouth?
Mom.
Now where's your hands?
Doggy.
Where's your hands? Where's your hands? Hands. Now where's your nose?
Where's your cheeks?
Now where's your tummy? Where's your belly?
Yeah, there it is.
Autumn. Autumn.
Where's your hair? Autumn, where's your hair?
Where's your hair?
Autumn.
Where's your hair?
Autumn.
There's your hair.
Autumn,
Where's
can you
your
say
butt?
Bubba?
Where's your butt?
Where's your butt?
There it is. It's back there.
Say Bubba.
Butt. Back there.
Ba.
Back.
Bubba.
Ba.
Butt. She's patting her butt. Butt.
Butt.
Doggy.
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 Where's the doggy on there?
Autumn. She's so intrigued.
God, whoa, what was in those chicken fingers?
I don't know. I'll have what she's having.
Look who's back. Who's that?
Say Keith.
Who's that?
Keith. Keith. Keith.
Where's Keith? Where's
Autumn.
Keith?
I'm gonna give you a kiss. I'm gonna kiss you.
I'm recording.
Yeah, I see you. This way.
But if you like run at her, I bet if you run at her, kind of fast, she'll get Bobby.
Say bye. Bye.
Bye.